Imagine you arrive in a new country. You leave the airport, and you need a taxi. The driver asks,
Where would you like to go?
"Could you explain your destination clearly in English?" In the next 10 minutes, you will practice a real taxi conversation in English. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the conversation, answer questions about it, and speak it confidently. This lesson has 4 powerful parts. Part 1. Listening practice. Part 2. Vocabulary. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Stay until the shadowing section. That is where your pronunciation improves the fastest. Take a deep breath, and let's start thinking in English.
Part 1. Listening practice.
First, just listen to the conversation. Don't translate. Don't pause. Just focus on understanding the situation. Here is the conversation.
Hello, are you available?
Yes. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the central train station.
No problem. It's about 15 minutes from here.
Great. How much will it cost?
Around $15, depending on traffic.
That sounds fine. Please take the fastest route.
Sure. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase. I'll pick it up from the sidewalk.
Okay, you can put it in the back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Good. Now think for a moment. Where does Anna want to go? Yes, to the central train station. If the conversation felt difficult, don't worry. Listening again will help your brain understand more each time.
Part 2. Vocabulary.
Now let's learn useful travel vocabulary from the conversation.
Destination. The place where you are going. Examples. What is your destination? My destination is the airport. Anna's destination was the train station.
We're here. Final destination before your final destination.
Formosa Beach.
That's the last destination.
Get going, we're running late.
Kid, calculate time to destination.
Rained all week. Our destination when turned into a destination when.
Traffic. Cars and vehicles on the road. Examples. There is a lot of traffic today. Traffic is heavy in the city center. The driver said the price depends on traffic.
Traffic?
Beautiful. Traffic violation.
I was late. The traffic was, traffic.
Yeah, just usual foot traffic and horse traffic, a few farmers.
Luther Grant's son came.
Pick up. To lift something or take something from a place. Examples. I will pick up my bag. She picked up her suitcase from the floor. Anna picked up her luggage from the sidewalk.
Come on, Tom, pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up.
Pick up, come on. Pick up, pick up, pick up.
Okay. Pick up, 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 pick up.
Quick question for you. Do you usually travel with a suitcase or a backpack? Write your answer in the comments. Practicing English actively helps you remember faster.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice.
Now it's time to practice speaking. Answer the questions out loud before I say the answer. Ready?
Hello, are you available?
Yes. Where would you like to go?
Did Anna ask the driver if he was available? Yes, she did. She asked if he was available. Who did Anna talk to? The driver. She talked to the driver.
I need to go to the central train station.
No problem. It's about 15 minutes from here.
Where did Anna want to go? To the central train station. She wanted to go to the central train station. Did the driver say it was far away? No, he didn't. He said it was about 15 minutes from there. How long does it take to get to the station? About 15 minutes. It takes about 15 minutes.
Great. How much will it cost?
Around $15, depending on traffic.
Did Anna ask about the price? Yes, she did. She asked how much it would cost. How much did the driver say it would cost? Around $15. It would cost around $15.
That sounds fine. Please take the fastest route.
What did Anna ask the driver to do? She asked him to take the fastest route.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase. I'll pick it up from the sidewalk.
Did Anna have any luggage? Yes, she did. She had one suitcase. Where was Anna's suitcase? On the sidewalk. Her suitcase was on the sidewalk.
Okay, you can put it in the back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Where did the driver tell Anna to put the suitcase? In the back. He told her to put it in the back. Did Anna thank the driver? Yes, she did. She thanked the driver. What did the driver say at the end? He said, "Let's go."
Excellent work. Speaking out loud helps you think faster in English.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Now let's improve your pronunciation. Shadowing means you repeat immediately after the speaker. Copy the rhythm. Copy the stress. Copy the speed. Let's begin.
Hello, are you available? I need to go to the central train station. Great. How much will it cost? That sounds fine. Please take the fastest route. Yes, I have one suitcase. I'll pick it up from the sidewalk. Thank you.
Yes. Where would you like to go? No problem. It's about 15 minutes from here. Around $15, depending on traffic. Sure. Do you have any luggage? Okay, you can put it in the back. You're welcome. Let's go.
Very good. Repeat this shadowing practice 3 times to sound more natural. You just completed a full travel English speaking practice lesson. If you repeated every sentence, comment, "Taxi ready." Watch this lesson again tomorrow to improve your fluency even more. And if you want more daily English conversation practice, subscribe and continue learning with the next travel lesson on this channel. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.